In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your Depop listings with tags. We'll walk through where to put your tags, how to choose them, and how to make them work harder by aligning them with your title and description. Start by logging in on Depop.com. Once you're signed in, head to the selling area by selecting Sell Now. This takes you to the listing setup page. We're focusing on the description box because that's where your tags will do the heavy lifting. Depop recognizes hashtags inside your description, so placing them here helps your item surface in search and on relevant discovery pages. Add 5 relevant hashtags that clearly describe your item. 5 is a sweet spot. It's enough to widen your reach without diluting relevance. Examples include simple, high-intent tags like hashtag vintage, hashtag streetwear, hashtag denim, hash sneakers, and hat handmade. Keep hashtags clean and readable. Lowercase is fine, no spaces, and no punctuation besides the hash. Avoid fillers like hashtag cute or for sale. Focus on what a buyer would actually type when searching. To choose the best tags, do a quick research pass before you publish. In Depop's search bar, start typing your item and note the autocomplete suggestions. They reflect what shoppers are actively looking for. Open a few top listings similar to yours and observe which tags consistently appear. Patterns usually point to demand. Consider seasonality and trends when relevant. Think hash partywear around holidays or hashtag Y2K when that aesthetic is trending, but only if your item genuinely matches. Stay specific rather than broad. Hash leather jacket beats hash fashion, and hash Mary Jane's beats her shoes when accuracy fits. Now make your tags work with your title and description. Your title should echo your tag keywords in plain language, so you rank for both hashtags and normal search. For example, instead of a vague cute shorts, go with something like vintage 90s Levi's high-rise denim shorts. In the description, naturally repeat the core details you tagged: brand, item type, material, color, era, fit, or style without stuffing. Aim for a first sentence that clearly states what the item is, then add sizing, condition, and key features. This alignment signals relevance, improves search visibility, and helps buyers quickly decide if it's right for them. To recap the flow, log in, go to Sell Now, write your description, add 5 precise hashtags, research what's trending and relevant, and make sure your title and description mirror those tag themes. Do this consistently, and you'll give every listing a stronger chance to be discovered and sold.